Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have admin access and the school's Udise Plus code. This is non-negotiable. Once logged in, navigate to Student Management and open the Enrolled Students list. Make sure you locate the exact student by registration ID. Next, export the current student record as a CSV for backup. This protects you if something goes wrong. Once done, switch to edit mode for that student so you can change the section field directly. Do not try batch imports yet. You now perform the core edit. In the student profile, select Edit, then Academic Details. Choose the correct section from the official dropdown. This ensures the system enforces class section rules. Make sure the class year aligns with the section to avoid validation errors. If mismatched, correct the class first. After selecting the new section, hit Save and wait for the confirmation message. Once saved, check the audit trail or change ID to confirm the update was recorded by the system. You finish by validating the change. Export the updated student list and confirm the new section appears correctly in reports and class lists. If the system throws validation errors, revert immediately using your backup CSV, fix the mismatched field, often class or admission year, and repeat the edit. This prevents inconsistent records. If the audit trail shows the save but reports haven't updated after a reasonable delay, contact Udise Plus support with the change ID. This single-way approach.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.